Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are doing great and you have been following our last episode of microgreen series. And today we are going to grow microgreen from spices. Welcome to our third episode of a microgreen series. In our last episode, we grow cereals, which means wheat grass, and today we will grow spices, a fenugreek and a mustard, which is generally called as a methi and rai. And in Marathi, it simply says mohari. Now, what you will have to do this, go to your kitchen and pick up your spice box or masala dabba, which is common in Indian kitchen, and take mustard and fenugreek seeds from your spice box and soak it for 3 to 4 hours. And you can also soak for overnight also. All the basic steps are same in growing microgreen. After soaking seeds, take a tray or plastic container. Now, if you don't have a plastic container or tray at your home, you can also use such a takeaway boxes. These boxes are easily available at market. Make some small holes at the base of the tray. Here, I am going to show you, and this step is very important because this will help you to prevent compactness in your soil and also improve the good drainage and keeping away fungus and mold from your microgreen. After this, fill your tray with the soil and level it. After leveling the soil, spread evenly your soak seed on soil in any fashion and cover it with the soil. Now keep in mind, for mustard, cover seeds with soil half inch only because mustard seeds are very small in size. And for methi seeds, 1 inch or 1.5 inch deep layer of soil is necessary because methi seeds are bigger in size. After covering the seeds, spray some water on it. Now do not pour water on it because it flush out all upper layer of soil and uncovering of seed happens. Instead of pouring water, what you can do is use spray bottle for watering. Covering your tray with a lid is important because moisture present in a seed and soil can't evaporate and it helps to improve seed germinate faster and it also reduce your watering effort. You don't have to water it frequently. After 2 to 3 days, your seeds start germinating. Now place your tray where the bright light comes. You can place it a window side or you can also place in a balcony also. In this picture, why my all methi seeds bend towards one side? Because of light comes from that direction. One way that I check my microgreens are getting good enough light, look at the length of the stem of this microgreen. These are the healthiest one. Approximately 1 to 2 inch is length of this microgreen. But at one point it weakens and drop out and your microgreen won't work out. That will happen when the light is not enough for a plant. In order to get enough light, the plant start investing energy into its stem and becoming long. Try again with the different batch with a better light condition. You cannot grow microgreen in a low light condition. The methi seedling having great strength to push the dirt on top and emerge to soak the sunlight. A little biology for you. When seed germinate, first thing they try to look out for is sunlight or light. When they do not get sufficient light, when it's dark, they try to grow longer stem, thinking that they might get sunlight. So as a result of this, if you cover with a box, you will get the perfect length of a microgreen, which is about 3 to 4 centimeter. When the leaves come out, they will be yellow. So once the microgreen are 3 to 4 centimeter, keep the box in sunny spot or in a window, and the yellow leaves will turn into green. Among all these microgreens, mustard microgreens are the fastest one. One interesting fact about mustard microgreen is they are look similar to chia microgreen. Now, if you have a children, then I highly recommend grow your own microgreen because they are very quick, they are very easy to grow, and you can actually show how them the roots coming out, how the seed germinate, and how the stem comes out, how the leaves come out. I think transparent boxes are the great idea. The steps I am sharing today applies most of the microgreen where you can buy from a commercially or you can get from a kitchen. The method remains same. Just remember one note that you cannot grow any kind of a seed into microgreen, especially potato. There is nothing like a potato microgreen. Those leaves cannot be eat as a microgreen. Here is the list of a microgreen you can grow from an Indian kitchen. You can grow mustard seed, fenugreek seed, lobia seeds, kidney bean seeds, moong dal seed, and sunflower seed. Now, here is do not use this seed as a microgreen. Potato seeds, chili seeds, pepper seeds, brinjal seeds, capsicum seeds. These seeds are cannot be grown as a microgreen. And you had this perfect, nutritious, delicious microgreen for your salad and for your sandwich, which is grow only in about 8 to 9 days. If you really like them and you need a lot of them, so what you could do is since they take about 1 week to grow, you can grow them in a cycle of 1 to 2 weeks. So you will have a continuous supply of microgreen as well. It does not matter what season it is because you can just start in indoors. That's all I have today. I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know down below in comment section if this is simple, if this is something you want to try. I will meet you soon and do not forget to hit the subscribe button.